Hi everyone, this is a video tutorial for paper flower template number M6. Let's get started. First, what you need to do is to trace and cut out 5 petals, 1 circle and 1 of the base and 2 of the flower center. Next, what you need to do is to make the center cut. About 2.5 inch. Next, what you need to do is to glue the 2 flaps together. Next, what you need to do is to glue the petal onto the base. Use the edge of the base to use as a guide. Glue the circle one down and your stamen. Glue it together. And curl the edge out a bit. Place some glue on the back. Now you have a beautiful flower.